Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Remote Interior Design Consulting is a service that allows clients to receive professional interior design guidance and expertise from the comfort of their own homes. Through virtual communication tools such as video conferencing, email, and online platforms, interior designers can collaborate with clients regardless of their geographical location. The process typically begins with an initial consultation to understand the client's preferences, budget, and project requirements. Clients may share photos, measurements, and inspiration images, enabling the designer to visualize the space and propose design concepts. Once the collaboration is established, the designer will present personalized design recommendations, including layout suggestions, color schemes, furniture selections, decor ideas, and more. These proposals may be presented through digital mood boards, 3D renderings, or detailed design plans. The client can then provide feedback and make adjustments as needed. Remote Interior Design Consulting is a convenient and cost-effective way for clients to access professional design services and transform their spaces, making it an increasingly popular option for those seeking expert advice on home or office interiors. Making money from remote interior design consulting requires a combination of skills, marketing, and client management. Here are some steps to help you monetize your remote interior design consulting services. Establish your expertise. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your previous interior design projects, both in person and remote. Highlight your skills, creativity, and ability to work remotely effectively. Specialize in a particular niche or style to stand out in the market. Set competitive pricing. Research the rates of other remote interior designers and determine a pricing structure that aligns with your experience and the value you offer. Consider offering various packages with different levels of service to cater to a broader range of clients. Market your services. Utilize social media platforms, online design communities, and your website to promote your remote interior design consulting services. Showcase your work through captivating visuals and engaging content. Offer free webinars or design tips to attract potential clients and establish yourself as an expert. Leverage technology. Invest in tools and software that enhance the remote design process, such as virtual rendering software, video conferencing platforms, and collaboration tools. These technologies will improve the client experience and increase your efficiency. Provide exceptional customer service, respond promptly to inquiries, be attentive to clients' needs, and maintain clear communication throughout the design process. Positive client experiences lead to word-of-mouth referrals, which can be a powerful driver for your business. Collaborate with industry partners, partner with contractors, suppliers, or real estate agents to expand your network and generate potential leads. Referrals from trusted partners can significantly boost your credibility and client base. Upsell additional services. Offer add-on services like custom furniture designs, material sourcing, or virtual staging for real estate agents. These extra services can increase your revenue and provide more value to your clients. Continuously improve your skills. Stay updated with the latest interior design trends, technologies, and best practices. Investing in your professional development will keep your services relevant and in demand. Remember, building a successful remote interior design consulting business takes time and dedication. As you gain experience and positive reviews from satisfied clients, your reputation will grow, leading to more opportunities and a steady stream of income. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.